In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can pin websites in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First is we need to open Google Chrome. So type Chrome in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now let's just open any website. Let's say for example, twitter.com. Okay? Then from here, at the top, simply make a right click and you have the option to pin it. Okay, as you can see. Then if you want to open a new tab, you can see that there is this one that is pinned from here. Let's say for example, google.com. Right click, select pin. And if you're going to open a new tab, you will see all the pinned from here. Okay, so you can just simply click on that because you have just pinned it. Okay, so that's how you can do it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.